Ndewo na ụmụaka. Nnụnụ. Welcome back to another exciting Igbo animal spotlight. Today's animal is the Great Egret. In Igbo, we say Òkwórị. Come say it with me. Say Òkwórị. Again, Òkwórị. Fantastic. The Great Egret is a tall white bird. Nnụnụ toro ogologo na-acha ọcha. It has a long neck and long legs. Onu na ụkwụ ogologo. It loves to stay near rivers, lakes, and wetlands, looking for fish, frogs, and insects to eat. Òkwórị walks proudly and gracefully, almost like it's showing off on a runway. Just like when someone walks confidently at a party or a school event. When Òkwórị is hungry, it can stand very still, waiting patiently to catch its food. That's just like us when we stay calm and wait our turn, whether in class, in games, and even at a meal time. Let's practice together. Ngwanu. Òkwórị. Ọzọ. Òkwórị. Daalụnụ. Now, let's try a sentence. Òkwórị bụ nnụnụ. That means the Great Egret is a bird. Well done. Daalụnụ. Unu amụtago tata aha Igbo anụmanụ a ndị bekee na-akpọ Great Egret, Òkwórị. Until next time, let's keep learning Igbo, one animal at a time. Bye.